There's a little bar area. Over bird cages.
L'espace est de 9h du matin jusqu'à 19h. Il faut le réserver et après il y a plus sur tarif. Après nous avons.
Welcome to the Best Western Hotel de Parc. So as you walk in, you've got a safe and a hanging space for your luggage. First of all, you've got the bathroom. It's going again with the bird theme throughout the hotel. So the bathroom's a decent size, nice and fresh and clean. You got a sink with a shower, and over a bath you get free shower wash. Walk into the room at Best Western Hotel de Parc. We're going with the bird theme again. Got all the budgies on the wall and the wallpaper. So it's a decent size. This is a standard room. So we've got a double bed and a single bed. There's plenty of sockets under each table. There's a double power socket. And there's some also next to the TV, a decent sized TV. And you get a coffee, some water, coffee and tea, milk. It's decent size. This we paid we paid £74 for this room for a night, and it's within 10-15 minutes of Disneyland Paris. So it's well worth it if you're wanting to stay here rather than paying the Disney hotel prices. I'll show you a bit of an extra room. It's got air conditioning as well, which is useful in the summer months. I do like this wallpaper with the birds on. It's bird theming throughout. If you've noticed the rest of the video, there's plenty of birds, bird cages dotted around. You also get a decent sized window to open up. Might be a concern if you've got little ones.